My family and I hand-raised an Eastern Grey Squirrel. He was released into the wild at 13 weeks old. This is Tarzan, and this is his story. Tarzan lives in the giant oak that sits in the middle of our backyard. He is now 9 months old and visits us every day. Tarzan's bond with our family is unique and one we cherish. He is gentle and grooms us just like we are one of his own kind. When not foraging on bark, bugs, new leaf buds, or whatever else nature offers him, he loves to have a treat or two of his favorite nuts. He can be a picky eater at times, but right now his favorites are Brazilian nuts. He also enjoys a sip of water from his favorite coffee cup. Tarzan is completely free to do as he pleases. He is never picked up or held against his own will. The interactions he shares with us are of his own choosing. Tarzan loves exploring all of the woods, and of course he is an excellent tree climber. Please consider subscribing and sharing if you would like to keep up with all of Tarzan's wild adventures.